The quest for weight loss is one that has captivated individuals for centuries, drawing them into a maze of diets, exercise regimens, and countless health fads. Among these, lemon water has emerged as a popular trend, often touted as a miracle solution for shedding pounds. The idea that a simple glass of water infused with lemon can catalyze weight loss is appealing, especially to those who seek quick fixes. But does lemon water truly hold the key to weight loss? Or is it just another myth in the vast landscape of dietary misconceptions? To unravel this enigma, it's essential to start by examining the components of lemon water. At its core, lemon water is simply water mixed with the juice of fresh lemons. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and skin health. But when it comes to weight loss, the narrative becomes more complex. The primary claim surrounding lemon water is that it boosts metabolism, aids in digestion, and promotes hydration, all of which are crucial for weight management. Hydration is a fundamental aspect of any weight loss journey. Drinking sufficient water can help control appetite, increase feelings of fullness, and enhance metabolic processes. When people replace sugary beverages with water, they often experience a reduction in calorie intake, which can contribute to weight loss. Lemon water, therefore, can indeed play a role in this context. The flavor of lemon can make water more palatable for those who struggle to drink enough throughout the day, encouraging them to stay hydrated. However, it's important to note that while lemon water can be a great way to enhance hydration, it is not a magic potion for weight loss. The idea that simply drinking lemon water will lead to significant weight reduction is misleading. Weight loss fundamentally hinges on the principle of caloric deficit. One must burn more calories than they consume. Lemon water alone does not create this deficit. It can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet, but it cannot replace the need for healthy eating and regular physical activity. Another prevalent myth is that lemon water detoxifies the body. The concept of detoxification has gained immense popularity, with many believing that certain foods or drinks can cleanse the body of toxins. While lemons do contain compounds that may support liver function, the human body is incredibly efficient at detoxifying itself. The liver, kidneys, and other organs work tirelessly to eliminate waste and toxins without the need for special detox diets or beverages. Thus, while lemon water can be refreshing and may offer some health benefits, it is not a detox miracle. Furthermore, the belief that lemon water can specifically target fat loss is another misconception. Fat loss occurs throughout the body based on genetics, hormonal balance, and overall lifestyle choices. No single food or drink can selectively reduce fat in specific areas, a notion that is often perpetuated by marketing and misinformation. Lemon water, like other beverages, can be part of a healthy lifestyle, but it does not possess any unique fat-burning properties. The role of metabolism in weight loss is another area where myths abound. Some proponents of lemon water claim that it can boost metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning. While hydration is indeed linked to metabolic rate, the effect of lemon water on metabolism is minimal. Consuming lemon water may slightly increase the thermic effect of food, but this increase is negligible compared to the overall caloric intake and expenditure. Therefore, while staying hydrated is vital for metabolic health, relying solely on lemon water to enhance metabolism is misguided. Another point to consider is the impact of lemon water on digestion. Some individuals report that drinking lemon water aids in digestion, potentially due to its acidity, which may stimulate digestive enzymes. While this can be true for some, the effects vary from person to person. Drinking lemon water might help some feel less bloated or improve their digestive comfort, but it is not a cure-all for digestive issues. For those with certain gastrointestinal conditions, the acidity of lemon juice could even exacerbate discomfort. Moreover, the psychological aspect of weight loss cannot be overlooked. Many people find that incorporating lemon water into their daily routine can create a sense of ritual and mindfulness around their eating and drinking habits. This can lead to more conscious choices regarding food and lifestyle, which ultimately supports weight loss efforts. However, it is crucial to recognize that this psychological benefit does not stem from the lemon water itself, but rather from the act of making healthier choices. The social media landscape has played a significant role in promoting the idea of lemon water as a weight loss aid. Influencers and wellness advocates often share their morning routines, featuring lemon water as a staple, leading many to believe that it is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle. While it can certainly be part of one's routine, it's vital to approach such claims with a critical mindset. The allure of quick fixes can overshadow the importance of a holistic approach to health that includes balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and mental well-being. When exploring the myths surrounding lemon water and weight loss, it's also essential to consider the broader context of dietary trends. The wellness industry thrives on the idea of simple solutions to complex problems. This is evident in the popularity of various detox diets, superfoods, and weight loss supplements that promise rapid results. Lemon water fits neatly into this narrative, offering an easy, accessible, and seemingly harmless option for those seeking to lose weight. However, it's crucial to recognize that sustainable weight loss requires a multifaceted approach that prioritizes long-term lifestyle changes over quick fixes. Additionally, the potential health benefits of lemon water should not be dismissed entirely. While it may not be a miracle weight loss solution, it does offer some advantages. The vitamin C content in lemons supports immune function, and the antioxidants present in citrus fruits can reduce inflammation. Drinking lemon water can also contribute to better skin health and may help freshen breath. These benefits can enhance overall well-being, which is an essential aspect of any weight loss journey. In summary, the notion that lemon water can directly lead to weight loss is largely a myth. While it can play a supportive role in a healthy lifestyle by promoting hydration and offering some nutritional benefits, it is not a standalone solution. Weight loss is a complex process that requires a combination of healthy eating, regular physical activity, and mindful choices. Lemon water can be a refreshing addition to one's routine, but it should be viewed as just one piece of a larger puzzle. As individuals navigate the sea of weight loss advice and trends, it is crucial to approach claims with skepticism and seek evidence-based information. The allure of quick fixes can be tempting, but sustainable weight loss is rooted in understanding one's body, making informed choices, and embracing a holistic approach to health. Lemon water can certainly be part of this journey, but it is not a substitute for the fundamental principles of nutrition and lifestyle that ultimately drive weight loss success.